I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making sour cream onion dip. For this very easy recipe, all we need is sour cream, and for seasonings I'm using salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. So onion powder, that's what gives it the onion flavor, and we're also adding fresh green onions. So here's one stalk, and I'm going to chop this onion into very small pieces. So it's really one stalk of onion with 3 green, but you know, the amount of onion is totally up to you. If you're a green onion lover, just feel free to add more. So now let's mix the ingredients. So I'm going to add 1 cup of sour cream. Here's 1 cup of sour cream. And 1/8 teaspoon of salt. One-eighth teaspoon of garlic powder. And you can use fresh minced garlic if you like. And now 1/4 of teaspoon of onion powder. And fresh green onion. And now mix everything until combined. Perfect, and you can also try it and add more seasonings to taste. And now I'm ready to try it. So you can dip chips in the sour cream and onion dip, or you can dip cucumber slices, bell pepper slices, or any kind of veggies for the low carb option. So now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love sour cream and onion dip. Let's try it. Yum, this is so good, so delicious, and it was so easy to make. Really just took less than 5 minutes. What a perfect, easy appetizer. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!